Everybody here. This is Anna's first car wash.
Daddy, will you stop making noise?
Okay. Can you tell everybody what's happening? What's happening?
It's getting wet.
It is. Look, soap. Look at the soap. Whee! Woo! What do you think of that, huh? Here comes some soap and some more water. Oh, what's that big hairy thing? Ah! Looks like your mommy, his hair when she wakes up in the morning. Daddy made a joke. How come you're not laughing?
I'm not just laughing at it.
One nice little spray.
Isn't your car gonna dry?
The machine's still pulling it.
Well, Daddy.
It's raining out. Whoa. Oh man. Getting wet up here with my satellite radio antenna coming into the car. And oh, feel that heat. Or is this big air? This is the big air.
Daddy, why are those things out?
And that's it. Clap your hands, yay! Oh, there you are, Perry.